The Irish Open Swimming Championships is the premier event in swimming in Ireland. We have a 5-day competition here at the National Aquatic Centre Dublin. We've over 400 swimmers competing from 68 clubs, including a couple of foreign teams. We've swimmers from Australia, Lithuania and the UK. Swimmers are competing here across 36 events for national titles, and they range from backstroke, freestyle, butterfly, individual medley and breaststroke. The competition is also a qualification event for a number of international meets this summer, and is the only opportunity that the swimmers here will have to qualify for those events. We have fantastic crowd support here, so obviously we have the 400 swimmers in here with their coaches and team managers. All of their parents show up to support. We also have clubs and swimmers from across the country that aren't competing this week here, showing their support and coming to see Ireland's premier athletes in action.
So we make snobs like Ross, Gawcade major IM. Aka rare, Chuig Mayon Gawcade major butterfly. It's a shin beidir more free vocod done der seachtaine. Agus tá ard caiidans cur síos dún chun a bheith roundathe done na craibh down don Saoirse Hugan Gwangju, Korea. Bhí mé beagán íon as an Tom don furrin ach déim bhí mé mar dhéal bheith roundathe ar fáin der seachtaine. Ó na lein den bhí mé mo bhuacalóg bhíoh bringló diagam faoin rudí mar seo. So look, is tá bliain le gógadí na cluichí Olympacha agus a rís déim bhí mé gach rud a bhfuil am ábalta a dhéanamh chun bheith an furrin sin. Bhí mé an nervhí seach a réir ach it's a sin part of an cluiche agus it's just clockta agus bhíonn an brú níos éasca tar éis splíns agus splinta.
Is í seo an comórtas náisiúnta snáb in éireann agus is féidir le chuile duine am cáilethe all duna craobh difriúil a bheith ar siúil sa saoire dom féin fuair mé an sa Caircade major freestyle don craobh domhanda a bheith ar siúil i mí lúnasa ach tusa gom go bhfuil a lá daoine eile tá ag bhecin ar comórtas difriúil freisin. Bhí mo chláán go léir an seo agus mo chuirde go léir an seo chun bhecin so bhain mé anna sos jazz is ócáid ionseach a bhí an. Tar éis seo be mé ag dul ar ascadí tréáil gach lá níl comórtas eile agam ar fa tamil beag ach tá ag súil go mór leis an craobh domhanda mí lúnasa sin é an comórtas is módum an bliain seo agus tar éis sin beidir go méid dulgadí Tokyo má taon gach rud sa slí ceart.